Okay, day designer, planning, calendar notes. Mans, the pilot pins, erasable. Hey you guys, I got some Amazon. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I bought from Amazon. Oh, I didn't realize I ordered that. Oh look, I got some bling bling, bling bling bling. Look, wasn't that cute? Silver. Oh, look at the gold. Um, and then it's black. I got some black letters, and it came with some jewels. Oh, isn't this cute? Okay, so I bought this for my calendar. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I was feeling creative and inspired, so stay tuned for that. And I bought these flat socks. Holy moly, these are suckers is gigantic. Oh my lord, will these fit my feet? But these are flat socks. I don't know, no slip, no stink, no show. So basically, they're moisture wicking, washer and dryer friendly. You put these, you cut your shoe insole and you use these in your shoe. Oh, how cute is that? Look at my calendar, you guys. So I'm feeling inspired maybe to put some letters. I don't know if I'm put some letters on the outside or the inside or what in my calendar. And then I got this. Another one. It's a smaller package. And this has just two little things in it. So then this is some planner stickers. So I bought these for my calendar because the ones that came in my little book were kind of boring. So if not when, oh, good vibes only. So these are some stickers that I'm going to use, and it has these little, and I'm not a planner, I mean, I use a planner, but I haven't ever tried the stickers or whatever, so I was feeling creative after watching somebody's YouTube video. So let me just give you guys a peek. Remember, this is my Coach wallet, and this is a magnet I got years ago. It's for your purse. You put this on the outside of your purse, and then you hang your keys from here. But my first couple of pages fell off, so I just was inspired to use that. And it has a folder. I had to cut it because it didn't fit. But I got this planner from Walmart. How much did I pay? It was $12.37, and I got some friction pins, which were $8.78, which I love. I will show you guys a quick peek of that. And then I bought this from Target. And so this is just some, I had to cut the month out on July and August in order for this to close, but I really like this planner because it has this note section, and I can write down my ideals on the fly. But anyhow, let me open this. This is, I was just showing the months because I'm going to have to probably cut those out. But you see, these are magnet tabs that I can add on my calendar in different spots. You see these, like this is the November. So I can add this, it's a magnet. And it'll be it'll be easier to find it this way, and I can cut these out so that these don't hang out. Even though I have this hanging out. This is the current month, and I could just go right to it. That's why I have that there. But I want to do some planning so I can add this for another month that I'm working on updating some stuff on my calendar as like a note. So yeah, so these are all the months. It came with two, which I kind of like. That's kind of cute because when towards the end of the year, I can start planning for the following year. So that's what's in my Amazon package. And I order, I think, more of these. You know how Amazon, some stuff come one day and other stuff comes another day. So yeah, that's an update on my Coach notebook. So yeah, this calendar again I got at Walmart, and I like, it's very, this planner can get thick. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff in the folder, and it still closes, which I really like. So yeah, this is it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next video.